Minimalist Mama. I'm Emily and I'm so glad that today I get to show you our master bedroom refresh. So if you watched our closet renovation project or even some of my spring cleaning videos, you've seen snips and bits and pieces of the changes that we've made to our master bedroom. But today I wanted to walk you through the whole thing, give you a tour, and talk through what we changed and why. This video is in collaboration with Mapiful. Mapiful is a company that exists to inspire people to celebrate what matters most to them and the people they love through their amazing personalized home decor.
That we were meant for something more, something beautiful.
And I'll tell you a little bit more about them in just a minute. Speaking of closets, when we decided to redo our master bedroom closets, we decided that this was the perfect time to take on a few other changes in our room. This isn't the first redesign of this room that we've done. When we first bought this house, this room was painted white and I painted it pink. Then I changed my mind on that a few months later and painted it back to white. I changed what I was going for in terms of style, from being more traditional to a little more bohemian and modern. So I wanted to incorporate natural wood tones, tone-on-tone colors, so like different shades of white and cream, and lots of texture. One of the big changes that we made was the light fixture. I really didn't like the fan that was up there before. It was very dated and ugly. We ordered a new fan on Amazon, and that was a whole scenario. We broke it when it arrived. Brian accidentally broke the glass globe. And then once he got it all installed, it looked great, it seemed really cool, but it just would shut off randomly. No explanation, and then come back on. It's really annoying. So we found out this is actually a known factory defect. We bought the fan refurbished from Amazon, and so we were able to return it. But I could not find another ceiling fan that I like the look of at all. So we finally decided to just go with a different light. I had ordered a chandelier first, and that was too big, so we finally were able to find this light that I feel like ties perfectly in with my rattan flower mirror and that light natural wood tone. Another big change that we made was the rug. I loved the big fluffy rug that I had in here before with the tassels. I felt like once I had simplified the colors going on in the room with the white walls and the cream tones of the bedding, that the white and gray rug was it just made the room feel a little too white. It just so turned out that the size of it would fit perfectly in our boys' room once we take on that project. Right around this same time that I was thinking about whether or not this rug was going to work in here, my friend Kimmy had bought a rug from Chris Love Julia's line with Laloy. She bought this rug, and once she got it, it looked really pink in her house. Something about just the way that the light reflected on it and the tones in that room made the rug look pink, which she did not like, but it so happened that I really love pink. So the rug worked perfectly in our room. So I bought it from her, and it really makes the room. The tones, the colors in it really pull everything together so well, including art. So one of the big things that I wanted to refresh in this room was our art situation. It was okay. I was going for a beachy feel, and I was almost there, but not quite. The poster that I had picked out for above our bed didn't fit the poster frame, and it just didn't feel right with the shape of the bed, having that big poster over the top. So I swapped that out for two smaller prints on each side. These prints are actually wallpaper samples that I had ordered from Etsy, and then I was able to just frame them and use them as art. For sure, the big showstopper in here is my Mapiful art print. Mapiful was kind enough to gift me this art print, and I cannot believe how beautiful it looks in here and just how well It ties everything in. I was really afraid when I ordered it that it was going to be too orangey, but it matches that rust color in the rug so perfectly and really brings that out. And I was able to reveal it to my husband as an early anniversary present. Okay, my art from Mapiful has arrived. And I'm terrified to open it because I'm afraid that I put in the wrong date of our anniversary. I'm afraid I put in June 21st and our anniversary is June 19th. But Edison's birthday is July 21st. And I think when I was ordering it, I got confused and put June 21st. Afraid to open it, but it's gotta be done. Thank you, Jesus. I got our anniversary right. Mapiful makes beautiful, meaningful art prints. You can input dates, times, locations, and it will create an actual map in a lot of different styles. Or you can do a star map, which is what we did, which I feel like is really special and romantic. This map is the day, time, and location of our wedding. So it was perfect for our anniversary and the perfect piece for this room.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had.
This is not going to be as exciting to you as it is to me anyway.
Nice. Where'd you get that?
Mapiful.
Okay, good.
They make the maps. They do star maps of dates, times, locations. So this is Ames, Iowa. Longitude to latitude of June 19th time.
Sounds complicated.
They also do like actual maps, but I like the stars.
Okay. Good.
Happy anniversary.
Thanks. You too.
I got some advice from a couple friends of mine who are really good at styling and interior design, and they really helped me put together a bedding setup that I really love. Before, it just kind of fell a little bit flat and I didn't know why. I felt like something was missing, but I couldn't really put it together. So my friend Bree explained to me that the duvet should be like an extra blanket almost, not your main cover. But you need a quilt first, your sheet, quilt, and then the duvet can be draped on the bottom of the bed. There's different ways of laying out the duvet, but that way it just adds an extra layer of coziness. With their help, I picked out this lovely off-white quilt from Target. This is the perfect shade of cream, and I love the little texture on it. It works really well with the throw pillows that my friends also helped me pick out. My former pillows were just a little bit too small, but these really coordinate well with the lumbar pillow I already had, and I feel like it really just brought the whole bed together. I also like that the pink in the duvet cover ties in with the pink that I have going on in my closet now. So another change we made in here was moving some of the furniture around. I had our dressers separated before, and when we were moving things around to make space to do our closet renovation, we had pushed them together up against the wall for a little while, and I actually really loved it. I felt like that really became a focal point and drew your eye. The mirror in here, I just really love. This is one of my favorite things in our room. I ordered this mirror off of Amazon, but it looks very similar to one from West Elm. It has a narrow gold edge around it and this beautiful arch. The arch mirror ties in with a little bit of that 70s retro feel, but with the sleek lines and the gold trim, it really makes it modern and contemporary. It is just stunning. It's so simple, but really stunning.
coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief.
Are those level? You sure? Oh.
Level with the level and the tape.
Pretending land was our own, we couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. At this moment, it's time to tell where we should go. But how can I be sure?
I also added a couple more plants in here. I added a tall, fake monstera plant. I'll link this one. It's from Amazon. It just comes with a bunch of branches, but I planted it in a pot that I already had with actual dirt. So I think it looks kind of realistic. To keep the room from feeling too flat, I really played with texture in here with our bedding, the woven furniture and tray, this purse that I have displayed, the mirror. There's really a mix of boho and modern, like the black sleek frames, the sleek mirror, and a little bit traditional and vintage, like this rug that has more of that feel, and the mid-century modern nightstands and bed frames. But I feel like it really feels like cohesive and collected. Like this isn't just pulled out of a catalog, it's bits and pieces that represent our life and our style and who we are. And I really love that. It feels really cozy and serene and peaceful, and I hope that you have enjoyed this little tour. If you want to watch all of the videos from our renovation of this old Victorian house, I will link that playlist, and I will see you back here next week. Thanks so much.